This man claimed he could turn chicken wire into a real boat, and people thought he was lying. To prove it, the salesman coated ordinary chicken wire with a thick waterproof paste. He said once the coating hardened, the wire would become strong and completely watertight. The idea sounded ridiculous, but the claim spread so widely that researchers at a university in New York City decided to test it. Students built a small boat entirely from chicken wire and carefully covered every inch with the paste. The process took nearly 3 days. When the coating finally dried, they carried the strange-looking boat to the water. Everyone expected it to sink instantly, but when they placed it in the water, it floated perfectly. Not a single leak. The salesman's unbelievable claim turned out to be completely true.